Ready? Comments. Mr. Speaker, we have had a very useful debate on this demand for grant. Honorable member have raised various points. I shall now reply to them. Today we are faced with the problem of inflation and rising prices. Whether there is justification or not, we find that the prices are rising day by day. If we look into the basic cause of inflation, we will find that it is mainly due to stagnation in production when there is increase in money supply. On the other hand, if there had been increase in production also at the same time, there would not have been inflation now. This affects the economy as a whole. If we want to get out of this situation, we have to plan in such a way that we increase our production in all sectors. It is in this context that we have to look at our industrial policy. In this connection, we have to deal with the question of nationalization now and then. So far as this question is concerned, if people are really interested in nationalization, they should make the public sector projects and other nationalized projects a success. It can be done if they give their full cooperation with regard to labor unions. On the other hand, they want to play politics more and more, particularly in the public projects. This is the position about which we are concerned. So I would request the honorable members of my party also to take note of this thing if they say that larger houses should be removed. Till we reach that position, we have got to utilize these larger houses in certain areas for more and more production. When we say that others should take over the production of various commodities, it cannot happen at once unless we create circumstances for the purpose of helping the new entrepreneurs. I would like to point out that these facilities were not available to them till now. That is why we have appointed a committee. It is made recommendations with regard to the various steps to be taken in regard to new institutions. I may inform the House that we have already circulated a list to the state governments in regard to this matter. We discussed the same with them at the Conference of Ministers for Industries. So, during this plan, we should create conditions in which we may be able to introduce entrepreneurs in this field. Mention was made about the new industrial licensing procedures. Many honorable members said that the old delays continued. I am sorry to say that they have not looked into the facts. I would like to inform the House that since this new arrangement came into effect, a weekly review of the situation is made. I may point out that during the last 5 months, the system has been keeping to its target. I am sure that the honorable members would be glad to know that about 95% of the total applications have been disposed and the remaining 5% will be cleared in the next few days. So it is no use saying that it is only a paper scheme. With regard to financial institutions, it was said that took their own time. That is why they are new linked up with the new industrial licensing procedures also. Once a month, they come to Delhi and discuss with other secretariat officers to find out what are the capital goods clearance which have to be made and on what basis, so that they may be able to sanction loans as quickly as possible. So it will be seen that a certain coordination has been brought into existence with the licensing procedures machinery, particularly with regard to capital goods. Then I would like to point out that industrial development has to take place keeping in view the need to bring about regional balance, but unfortunately it has not been so far possible to achieve it. So when we take steps for the speedy implementation of projects, we have to see that this balance is restored. We are very conscious of it. But we find that there is completion for the purpose of getting districts declared as backward. I would like to make it clear that in spite of this declaration, the progress has not been satisfactory. Even though the number of licenses with reference to backward areas has been increasing, the progress is not satisfactory, so we have to take into account the factors which make the industry unwilling to go to these backward areas. This is where we have to take into consideration the growth centers concept. In this connection, I want to make one thing clear. Stop.